Hello friends, today we are going to discuss pericyclic reactions. This video is part 1. Concerted reaction proceed through cyclic transition state are known as pericyclic reaction. Concerted reactions are those in which bond formation and bond breaking occurs simultaneously. So here you see this is 1,3-butadiene. It is converted into cyclobutene through a cyclic transition state. 2 pi bond break and there is formation of 1 sigma bond. That is, bond formation and bond breaking occur simultaneously is a concerted reaction, and since this concerted reaction proceeds through cyclic transition state, so this is a pericyclic reaction. In this video, we are going to concentrate on 3 types of pericyclic reaction: electrocyclic reaction, then cycloaddition reaction, and then third, sigmatropic rearrangement. Let us discuss one by one. First one is electrocyclic reactions. Here 1,3-butadiene is converted into cyclobutene. This type of reaction is known as electrocyclic reaction. This is another example in which hexatriene is converted into hexadiene. So this type of reactions are known as electrocyclic reactions. Cycloaddition reactions are also examples of pericyclic reactions. These are the 2 examples of cycloaddition reaction. Ethylene plus ethylene, it gives cyclobutane. Then 1,3-butadiene plus ethylene, so it gives hexene. This reaction is also known as Diels-Herder reaction. Sigmatropic rearrangement is also an example of pericyclic reaction. That means these are the concerted reaction and proceed through cyclic transition state. This is propene. Here hydrogen is shifted from this position to this position. So compound obtained is like this. Since here hydrogen is shifted from carbon number 1 to carbon number 3, so it is known as 1,3 shift. Whereas this is another example of sigmatropic rearrangement known as 1,5 shift. That means here hydrogen is shifted from position 1 to position 5.
पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किस तरह से करना है वो समझ लीजिए। सबसे पहले आपको नाम के सामने लाल अक्षरों में सब्सक्राइब दिखाई देगा, तो वो जो सब्सक्राइब लिखा है उसको आपको टिक करना है। इसके बाद इस तरह से सब्सक्राइब्ड करके लिख कर आ जाएगा। फिर उसके बाजू में जो बेल है वो आइकॉन को आपको प्रेस करना है। आइकॉन को प्रेस करते ही आपको इस तरह का मैसेज आएगा कि यू विल रिसीव द नोटिफिकेशन। इसका मतलब है जैसे ही मैं कोई नया वीडियो डालूंगा आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा। और हाँ, अगर आपको नोट्स चाहिए तो जो डाउन एरो आपको दिख रहा है उसको आप क्लिक कीजिए और लिंक जो है उस पर से आप नोट्स डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।
Thank you for watching this video.